we're going to learn how to operate our Mito Perimeter View 7-inch digital quad monitor. As you can see here with our Midwest luxury Sprinter van, we have 4 views that we can see with our monitor. There are 2 side camera views, which actually are activated by our blinker when we're driving. We have our rear view camera, and we have our front view camera. You can set up any of these views in any configuration that you like. If you want all 4 on your screen, you can have all 4 of them on the monitor. If you hit the mode button down here, you can change that so you only have 1 single camera view. Right now, this is our front camera view. If we'd like to change that, we can use either the up or down arrow key. That would be one of our side camera views, another side camera view, and then our rear camera view. If you hit the mode button again, we can actually do 3 of our cameras here. So in this case, we'd have our 2 side cameras and then our front camera. Again, we can actually change that configuration so it flips and we have our front camera view on the other side, and then our 2 side camera views flipped on the other side. And then we can come right back to the beginning. And with the 4 camera view, you can change that as well. If you don't like the 4 squares there, you can hit the up arrow key or down arrow key, and we'll get a little bit of a different configuration on the monitor here. So then we can see the 2 side cameras on the outside and then your front and rear in the middle. And then lastly, if you'd like to make any changes to your menu settings, you'll just hit the menu button here. We can change how we have our quad split up, or any of our splits for that matter. When we change it, if we hit the menu button a second time, we can get to our mirror set. We can change our picture setup if we'd like. And then if you hit it one last time, you can cancel it right off the screen. And then we also have our power button all the way to the right, and we can turn on and off our monitor. And that's a brief look at our Perimeter View 7-inch digital quad monitor.